How to use Opera built-in AI chatbot and why you should. If you need to lean an AI for your work or to empower your searches, Opera is here to help with area. Like almost every tech company on the planet, Opera dove into the AI trend some time ago. And although AI is a divisible subject, if the tech giants have their way, it's not going anywhere anytime soon. While there are certain avenues that I believe AI should be close to, such as art, literature, journalism, and politics, there are some places where it has obvious benefits such as the medical industry, science, technology, and math. Also, the best AI chatbots of 2023, ChatGPT and alternatives. And I am not going to lie I have not used AI much more than to peek my head in to see what was what. But the other day I got curious. I wanted to compare what it would be like to research something with Google versus with an AI chatbot. The results actually surprised me and should probably unnerve Google a bit. For those who opt to use Opera as your default browser, and you should, it's amazing. There is simple to use AI chatbot built in with real time access to the web called Area. Turns out opting for Area over Google makes it's easier to shift through the garbage to get right at what you are looking for instead of having to jettison old outdated content and content for suspect sites. You simply get your answer, no clicking through different articles to find what you are looking for. No worries, you are going to land on a site with malicious code. It's just simple. Of course, there is a caveat to this. It is the answer correct. I did a few tests and found the answer to be mostly right. However, there were a few instances where area butchered the answer. One instance involved configuring a static IP in Linux with NetPlan. Also, Firefox versus Opera, which web browser is best for you? Area answered the question correctly, accepted use the deprecated method of configuring a gateway address. Had I followed the steps Area gave me, the configuration would have failed. That being said, what I found was that using Area as a search tool is pretty efficient. Let me show you how to enable and use it as you can empower your searches. How to enable Area on Opera? What you shall need? You shall need two things for this: an updated version of Opera installed on your desktop and a free Opera account. Make sure to create an account and log into it from your Opera browser. With those things at the ready, it's time to enable Area. 1. Open Opera settings. The first thing to do is open Opera. Once the browser is open, type Opera setting in the address bar to open the setting window. Second, enable Area. Scroll to the bottom of the setting window and click advanced. Then scroll down until you see the AI services action. Click the on off slider to enable Area in the side bar. Once you have done that, you can close out the setting window.